Hey everyone. So in this video, I wanted to talk about hot and cold behavior with your special person and what it is like and why does it happen. And this is from, my own experiences and also what I've seen whilst working with other people. And look, out there on the internet, there's a lot of different, reasons people talk about you would be getting hot and cold behavior from the person that is either is in your life or that you are manifesting or whatever it is. So hot and cold behavior is this, right? So from my perspective and from what I believe, and let me know if this resonates when I talk about this as well. So basically it is that, so as we look at everything is our mirror, everything is you pushed out, okay? So everything is reflecting back to you what you believe within, okay? So whatever you're believing within can only be reflected back to you, okay? So the hot and cold behavior, therefore, if we look at it that way, is coming from you, okay? And I want you to explore this. And so looking at, there's a part of you, so it's like your two parts. So there's a part of you that wants the relationship and wants to move forward and wants that amazing dream relationship. And there's a part of you that actually doesn't. And so it's like there's two parts of you fighting each other. So one minute you're like, yeah, let's go for it. I want it. And everything's starting to run smoothly and it's all happening. But then all of a sudden, another part will come in and say, actually, no, I'm freaking out. I don't want it. Okay. And then you start to get those results of them pulling away, them not wanting it, all of that kind of thing. And that's all just a reflection of what's happening within you. Okay. And there can be many reasons why this is happening. And that's what you need to explore. Like, you can look at, well, why is there a part of me that wants it? Like, why do I want it? And the part of me that doesn't want this relationship or this person, what's that about? Why don't I want it, right? And a lot of the time you will find that there's fear there. There's fear for the part of you that doesn't want it. There's fear that you're going to get hurt, they're going to leave you, reject you, abandon you, whatever your fears are, because everyone has different ones. And then there's also a part of you that does want it. And why does it want it? Because it wants to experience the dream relationship, the connection, the love, the adoration, the feeling chosen and wanted, loved and adored and all of that, okay? So it's the fight, like the hot and cold behavior is like a push-pull between yourself, okay? Like I said, a part of you wants it, a part of you doesn't. And you need to learn to merge that. And that way you'll become balanced, and then what will be reflected back to you is more balance around that. Does that make sense? Let me know if this resonates with you. And really think about, so for example, if they start to pull away, I want you to ask yourself, what was I thinking about when they started to pull away? What was going on within my own mind? Like, it could have been like, for example, I don't think they want me anymore. They're acting strange. I'm unlovable. And sometimes this goes on unconsciously, so we're not conscious of these thoughts, okay? And this is what I'm trying to help you do. Become conscious of the thoughts, because the more conscious you become and the more aware, then you can start to change. You have choice. But if it's all sitting in the subconscious mind, you don't have any choice. You are just making decisions based on unconscious programming. So when you can bring this to the forefront, that's when you can start to change it, okay? And so, yeah, think about what you were thinking. And then when things were going what were you then thinking about? All right? So really explore this, because it comes down to you, and that's a good thing, because that's powerful, because you're in control. You're the creator. You're creating this relationship that you want, okay? And the more you can balance these parts of you, right? The more you will get a different reflection in the mirror. You will get it reflected back to you in this person, relationship, whatever's going on for you, all right? So that's my take on hot and cold behaviour. Let me know if this resonates. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Make sure you like the video so I know you're liking this content so I can bring more out to you. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so then you are notified of when I do more videos like this, or I'm doing readings as well. And you'll get notified of that and you won't miss out, which would be awesome because I want to bring this amazing content to you. So yeah, let me know, have any questions, drop them in the comments, and yeah, I hope it's helped. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.